Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at how to add signature to your sales receipt. If you want to add a signature to your sales receipt, how do you do that? It's quite simple. So the first thing you need to do is from the home page here, click on your company name. And then to open up this part that allows you to manage your account and the settings. So once you get here, give it a few seconds to load. It's still loading. What we actually need is the sales aspect on the left hand menu. So click on the save sales aspect and then click on customize look and feel. And then let's say these are the things we've already done. You can only add signature and all these things to the ones that you are doing currently, not the ones you've done before. So this is my sales receipt. And then at the bottom you can see add your stamp signature QR code. So after filling up all this, stuff, once you finish editing all your sales receipt information, so when you're through with all that, then you want to add stamp signature or QR code. So click on add this. Now you want to do this, tap on add. Then you should have had your signature photographed or at least uploaded. So you can just click on the plus icon and then pick it out from your files and then click on open. And then to upload and show here. And then you click on save. It's as simple as that. And once you do that, it will appear here. Let me show you next how to do that. I don't have a signature uploaded, so I'm just going to pick a picture. Let's pretend as if this is my signature. Click on save and it will appear right here. Now you can choose if you want to be small, medium, large. You can see you can choose the placement. You can even decide to hide it. It depends on you. So hope you found this video helpful. Once you're through, click on done. Now if you want to create a sales receipt, if you want to create a sales receipt, you check out the video on how to create a sales receipt on Intuit Quickbooks. I'll check out our video on it and then we will know how to do this. When you are creating the receipt, that is when towards the end, the last option should be add the stamp signature QR code. I've shown you how to do it. Please note that the images and signatures shared outside of your account may be visible and accessible to others, including the general public. So be aware of that. Now this one says this template already exists because I already have this exact receipt. That's why you can see all the information there already. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye for now.